This video will explain the PCB production process and the various equipment used. Copper-clad laminate is the primary raw material used in PCB production. It is also a critical factor in determining PCB quality. Material coating involves dividing the large copper-clad laminate into the desired dimensions as per the design. Rounding the corners of the base material is necessary to prevent surface scratches during subsequent processes. Application of copper coating to inner layers involves applying a layer of photosensitive wet film to the cleaned material. Requires a clean room environment with high cleanliness standards. Fully automated mechanical arm for handling copper-clad laminates. Fully automated exposure machine, transferring patterns from a photomask to the inner layer substrate. LD laser direct imaging exposure machine, directly exposing the image using a laser in the LD machine. No need for alignment with a photomask in the exposure machine. CCD automatic exposure machine for traditional photomask alignment exposure, transferring patterns from a photomask to the inner layer substrate using a film. That's developing, etching, stripping from Dragon Etching, stripping the resist, etching away the unneeded copper outside the circuit pattern, clothing to obtain the required circuit pattern. Inner layer OE and automated optical inspection, transferring the images to the equipment using optical reflection principles, comparing with the specified data PCB design drawings, detecting open and short circuits in the circuits. PP cutting, using semi-cured PP sheets, cutting them to fit the size of the inner layer core board. Riveting, riveting multiple inner layer cores and PP together to prevent interlayer misalignment during subsequent processing. Stacking the pre-laminated boards into a compressed multi-layer board form. The PCB drilling machine in the video is from Dragon Etching. Mechanical drilling on the board surface, drilling conductive holes for interlayer connections. The Mitsubishi laser drilling machine used in the video. Plating copper, depositing a layer of copper inside the holes. This step is to achieve conductivity. Panel plating, using electroplating to increase the thickness of the copper plated and copper surface with holes. VCP vertical continuous plating, utilizing jet plating and vertical continuous conveyance. For PCBs of the same model, the process steps are identical, ensuring uniformity of the copper plating effectively. This is the PCB black hole line from the company with Dragon Etching. The process for outer layer patterns is similar to inner layers. The difference is that dry film is used for the outer layer. An alkaline etching process is used during etching, and an additional step of pattern electroplating is added, applying dry film. Outer layer development. The etching machine used in the video is from Dragon Etching. The machine for defilming, etching and detinning in the video comes from the same machine as Dragon Etching. Solder masking, covering all the traces and copper surfaces to protect the traces and provide insulation. The ink undergoes a photopolymerization reaction after exposure. The ink in the solder mask area remains on the board and solidifies. Silk screening, printing symbols on the board surface for assembly and identification of the final product. Nickel plating, forming a layer on the copper surface that is resistant to oxidation, with good solderability and a highly reliable coating. Forming, using CNC machines to create the required shapes according to customer specifications. Electrical testing to check for open circuits and short circuits on the finished circuit boards. Flying probe testing, mainly used for testing small batch and sample boards. FQC final quality control inspects PCB for external appearance issues, such as scratches, copper leakage, ink smears, etc. Preparing for packaging and shipment. Vacuum packaging, ready for delivery. That concludes the complete process of PCB production. Thank you for watching.